Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Elasticsearch for semantic search pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Elasticsearch for your semantic search pipelines, ensure you have Elasticsearch installed and running. Open your terminal or command prompt to access the Elasticsearch service. Check your Elasticsearch installation and its status by running the command curl-x get localhost 9200/. This will confirm that your Elasticsearch service is active and reachable. Next, you need to enable authentication in Elasticsearch. Edit the Elasticsearch configuration file, commonly found at config/elasticsearch.yml. Add the following lines to enable security features: spac.security.enabled, true. Save and close the configuration file. Now, restart the Elasticsearch service to apply the changes. Use the command sudo system to restart Elasticsearch for Linux or the appropriate command for your operating system. To set up users, open a terminal and use the Elasticsearch Setup Passwords tool. Run the command /bin/Elasticsearch Setup Passwords Interactive. This will guide you through the process of creating user credentials. Make a note of the Elastic username and password generated during this setup. Once you have your username and password, you can authenticate your search requests. When making requests, include the authentication credentials in your HTTP header. Use the command curl_elastic your_password x get localhost 9200/_search. Replace your _password with the actual password you set up. This command fetches information from Elasticsearch, verifying your credentials are correct. Next, implement a semantic search pipeline in your application. Make sure your application can handle basic HTTP requests and responses. Utilize libraries that support Elasticsearch, such as Elasticsearch PY for Python or Elasticsearch.js for JavaScript. When configuring your Elasticsearch client, include the authentication method. For instance, when using Python, initialize the client with the following parameters: from Elasticsearch import Elasticsearch. ES equals Elasticsearch, localhost, http_auth elastic, your_password. This will authenticate your instance each time you make a request. Test your search functionality by crafting a sample query. Execute a search query using the client to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.